let's walk through putting together one of our snack pack ideas. This one is for a turkey wrap, and it's a great one to do with young kids because there's a lot here that they can help with. For example, they can wash and dry lettuce leaves. You can use a salad spinner if you want, or you can just have them rinse them and pat them dry. They can also tear off the bottom parts of these and add it to the compost pile, or feed your backyard rabbits if you have those. And so what we're gonna do is just take a little bit of a spinach hummus. Today we have a store-bought one, which is just fine. So you just wanna spread some of that on there. It's got that great protein and healthy fat source. Kids love to spread, so this is a great activity to get them going in the kitchen. And then we're also gonna spread the turkey right on top. However much you think your kids will like to eat. They can tear the turkey, or they can use these nice child-safe knives to cut the turkey in different sizes. And if you're a vegetarian household and animal proteins are not your thing, you could also use some rinsed chickpeas. You could do some tofu in here. So really just use whatever works for your family. And they can help roll those up. And you can either cut them or leave them whole like this. You can pack them in the cooler or eat them within a few hours.